Hello everyone, welcome to bestlinuxdistro.com. Today I will be showing you how to install Steam on Ubuntu. You can find the full installation guide on my website. Link will be in the description. First we need to prepare our Ubuntu system for Steam. Check if your Ubuntu system meets the minimum requirements for running Steam. The next step is to ensure that the Multiverse Repository is enabled. Use this command to enable it. Now update your Ubuntu system with this command. Now that our Ubuntu system is prepared for Steam, the next step is to install Steam. There are 3 ways to install Steam. One is to use the Ubuntu Software Center. The other 2 are using the terminal and using the official Steam website. I will show you all 3 methods. To install Steam using the Ubuntu Software Center, simply open the Software Center and search for Steam. Click and open Steam Installer and install it. Wait for the installation to be completed. To install Steam using the terminal, type this command in the terminal. This will download and install Steam on your Ubuntu system. Now the last method is to install Steam by downloading the package from the official website. First go to the Steam website and click Install. This will download the Deb Package file. If you want to learn more about installing a Deb file, check out this tutorial in the I button. Now after downloading the Steam Deb Package file, go to Download folder and open Terminal. Now use this command to install Steam. After installing Steam, you can click on Show Applications from the dock and search for Steam to run it. This is how you can install Steam on your Ubuntu system using 3 different methods. Hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Linux videos. And stay tuned for the next video.